3 random words.
Yeah. Match.
Match. Okay.
Explain.
Explain. Like a teacher?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, and what's the last one?
Taste.
Taste. And what type of beat should I do?
Hip hop.
Hip hop. Time to make a beat. I called up my friend to see if he could make me a hip hop beat that would match the vibe of those 3 words. He said yes, got right to work, and then sent the beat over to me. This beat is fire. Time to do the vocals. Okay, I just finished the vocals, but if you like this song, make sure to click on the sound and add it to your Spotify library. Here goes nothing.